Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I get this nice bouncy curl. This was super easy. This took me like, I would say about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to show you my, I don't know what you call this again. I had this for like 4 years. I bought it on Amazon. It have different section to it, so like you could take off that little piece. Like it comes with 4 in the pack, so it have a medium size, a large size, a smaller size I think, and then this size that I'm using. So you could take it off and you can use it to get whatever size curls that you want. If I could find it, I will put it down below, but I picked it up from Amazon. So right now this wig is super old. When I tell you this wig is old, this is like a 5-year-old wig, okay? I not even remember that I had this wig. I was going through my stuff, throwing out stuff, and I was like, whoa, where did it come from? And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to throw it away because it's still good. And this is from my hair company, prestigehumanhair.com. I am working on revamping my website. So right now my website is down. So yeah. So this wig, I think it's either a 24 or 28 inches straight Brazilian. So what I'm going to do right now is, I started curling the back. So I'm going to be using my Sebastian hairspray, and this is the heat protector oil. So I'm going to put a little bit onto my hand and put it onto the hair. And the Sebastian hairspray does not make your hair feeling hard or coarse. It just hold the curls together. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking my Sebastian hairspray, and while I'm curling it, I'm just going to spray it there and just, just to hold the curls together. So, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I curl this here. I'm going to be doing this in, regular speed just to show you what I do, and then the rest, I'm going to speed it up. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, this also comes with a gloves. I cannot find the gloves because, as I said, I have this curling one for like over 4 years or so, but it does come with a gloves. So please make sure you wear a glove because this is hot. I burn my hand so much. I have so much burn on my hand right now. It's just ridiculous. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, regular twirl it around, and then I let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I let it go and I hold it into my hand and then spray the Sebastian hairspray, and then I let it go. So yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna be doing. As you see, I'm taking my time because I burn myself so much. And then I'll spray my Sebastian hairspray and just, try to cool it a little bit, and then I let it go. So this is a curl. I love this curl. Love it so much. It's so soft in my hair, and I just love this hair so much. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and just curl the hair. Nothing, nothing crazy. Just wrap it around all the way around until the end, and then I hold it for a 10-second, and then I let it go into my hand, and then I spray the Sebastian hairspray, and just to cool it a little bit before I let it go. And that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it through the entire hair. By the way, guys, this is a 2-in-1 video. I'm going to show you how I install this wig onto my hair.
We gon' be alright now. The heartbreaks, the goodbye, the bad days gon' pass by. We gon' live our lives now. We gon' be alright now. When we gon' smile. We gon' live our best life. Leave the pain behind. Reminiscing all the days used to meet you at the beach side. Used to think you were the one I was gonna be with for life. But we kinda fell apart now. Now I'm feeling stuck in the dark. Yeah, I miss you so much, man, I can't deny. Now there's so much pain going on inside. Yeah, and she told me that she cried a lot. But we know we can be together now. We gotta go our separate ways now, boy. It's really hard to live it in the past, yeah. But we gon' be alright now. The heartbreaks, the goodbye, the bad days gon' pass by. We gon' live our lives now. We gon' be alright now. When we weep, we gon' smile. We gon' live our best life. Let the pain behind. Do you wonder why this ain't up? Wonder why this ain't up? Feeling like you lost it all. Feeling like you lost it all. Into your addiction. Thinking of some suicidal thoughts. But before you go to grab a gun, yeah. Think about the dreams you had before. Think about the days yet to come, yeah. Don't be quick to throw that in the dust now. You just gotta hold a bit more. We gon' find a way to make it work. You'll be shining in no time. You gon' glow up and you gonna live right. Cause we gon' be alright now. The heartbreak, the goodbye, the bad days gon' pass by. We gon' live our lives now. We gon' be alright now. When we weep, we gon' smile. We gon' live our best life. Let the pain behind. Even though we fall on our knees, we gon' get back up now. Depression, addiction, and heartbreaks, no, they can't hold you down. You gon' rise up, you just gotta believe things will turn around. It's just for a moment, the good days are surely ahead now. We be alright. The bad days, the heartbreak surely gon' pass. And the bad things going on in our lives, gonna last because we be alright.
So now that the entire back is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the frontal part, and I just want to show you the curls, guys. Like, look at this. It is so soft. Like, don't be scared of Sebastian hairspray. It is a holding hairspray, but it does not leave your hair hard. In like some hairspray, when it's sprayed on, it leave your hair very, very coarse and hard, and it cannot move. As you can see, my hair is moving, okay? So yeah, the whole entire back is done. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the frontal, and yeah, just continue to do the same thing until I'm completely done. So now that I'm completely all done, this is the final result, guys. Like, look at it. Oh my God, I love this hair so much. And like, really, look at this. So yeah, I'm gonna spray again the Sebastian hairspray all over the entire hair. And then, to be honest, I did not put on this wig the same day. I let it sit for like 2 days because I was so busy. So I just leave it there until I'm ready to put it on. But yeah, this is the curls, and I'm gonna show you how I install it right now. Okay, guys, so after 2 days, this is the hair, and I'm showing you guys all the curls, and as you can see, it still look good after 2 days. I already have on my ball cap method. Oh, I already cut off. Oops, blooper. So I already did the ball cap. I'm gonna use the I think this is the Ruby Kisses in level 15, and I'm using the darker shade, and I'm gonna put it inside of the lace. And I'm also gonna put it onto my stocking cap, and then I'm gonna use the spray and spray the lace just to hold the color into it so that it bleed on when I'm putting on the wig, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm gonna spray the inside of the lace. So I'm gonna use my popsicle stick, and then I'm just gonna put 4 layer of hair glue. My Erica J adhesive is all done, so I'm just using I don't even know what it's called. I got it from the beauty supply store. It's a extra hold, so I bought it. It's good, but it's not like the Erica J. So I'm just gonna put 4 layer on, and then I'm gonna put on my wig. So disclaimer, guys, let me tell you about this wig. This wig is super old. It's gonna look a hot mess while I'm putting it on. It's gonna be a lot of discoloration. I bleached the heck out of this wig. Like, you will see when I part the wig, but I bleached the heck out of the wig, but you will see that it all comes together at the end. You already saw the intro that my hair is looking fire, but while I'm putting it on, it's gonna look a hot mess. It's just gonna look a hot mess. But don't click off the video, just keep on watching, and yeah, just watch me install this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the elastic band, and I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. So now that the 10 minutes is up, I did my makeup and all of that because I was in a rush, girl. I was in a rush. I gotta go out. So yeah. So this is the way how it looked. I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair, not much because I don't know how to do baby hair good. Like, I suck at baby hair, okay? And also the size was lifting up. That's why I said this hair glue is not, good like the Erica J. I have to order them, but as I said, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. It will look much better at the end. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna do some baby hair at a little bit in the front and also at the side, and I'm using the same face cream and just tap it in so that the lace could blend into my skin. And then I'm gonna be using the Tresemme extra hold spray and spray it and then tie it down again, and then that's what's gonna give it that real scalp looking hair. Yeah. So yeah, don't worry about the sides. I'm gonna fix the side because when I put on the spray, it's gonna hold it down. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue to, work my magic. So right here, guys, I'm showing you how I bleached the heck out of that wig. Like, look at that. It's all bleached. But I'm going to show you a trick, okay? So just continue to watch. I'm going to part it at the side because I wanted a side part. And then I'm going to also use back the face cream, the Kiss face cream. As I said, it's in level 15. Yeah. And then I'm going to tap it on just like that. All right. And then I'm going to be using my mascara in jet black. and just to fix it to, you know, make it look much better. So yeah, continue to watch me. You know, explain it is totally different from just watching me. And yeah, just continue to watch as I fix this, you know, hot mess here. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the revamp of my hair. You cannot tell that this is a 4-year-old hair. Like, look at that guys, I did that. Okay, I did that. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and leave me a comment. Like, tell me what you want me to do next, anything hair related or makeup, and thumb this video up, share it, you know, do anything to just keep this channel going. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.